Where is it?
Where are you coming from?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you going holding a cutlass like this?
I just want to go and check something in my farm there and come.
Okay. It's good I met you here.
I hope all is well.
All is well, all is well. Okay. I went to Ikenga's house with respect to the task he gave to us.
Oh, yes.
I explained to him the challenges we are having. But he said I should summon a meeting of the elders in my house. That he will personally come and talk to them.
Oh, good. Did you see now? Is this one not better?
It's good though. It's good. And you know now, if he's coming, he will come with something. He will not come empty handed.
I know he will come with something. In that case, I think I will be coming to your house this evening so that we can sit down and make the necessary plans concerning it.
Do that.
I will.
Do that. I'll see you this evening.
No problem.
All right.
Barabas.
Who has the great?
Yes,
It was a simple instruction I gave. Count the number of abayas before putting them into the bag. So why did you allow him to take it to the warehouse?
Excuse me, madam.
Let me call you back.
There is a man outside the gate. He said he's here to see you.
Who is he?
I don't know, ma'am. He refused to disclose his identity to me. That is why I could not allow him into the compound.
So he's still standing outside the gate?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on, she's coming. Hold on.
What are you doing here?
I have come to see the man who is harboring you in his house.
I give you 10 seconds. Get out of this place, else I will call the police and get you arrested.
Chioma, you are threading on a keg of gunpowder.
Now you listen to me. Whatever I thread on is none of your business. Get out.
You asked me to get out? Bet me you will live to regret this.
Now please keep those empty threats to yourself. Who the hell do you think you are? Biggie?
Yes, ma'am?
Get this scallywag out of my husband's premises.
You are my wife.
Guy, move.
She is my wife. This woman here is my wife. I married her. Hey, listen, you listen. You listen to me. I will not allow any man take you away from me.
You are not my husband.
Damn it.
You have never been married to me and never will you be. Get out!
You deny me?
Guy, move.
It's that I'm not your husband.
Guy, move it now.
Biggie.
Listen, you are a man. You are a man. Not my wife. This is my wife.
It's not your wife.
Move, leave, move. Do you know her? Leave me alone. This is my wife.
I will blow your leg now.
You can't play my neck.
Blow your leg
Are you
now.
not a man? You can't play my neck. This is my wife. Okay.
Now listen to me, you two. On no account should that idiot gain access into this compound again. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Makansi boutique mo, mapu Indonesia je patike ai. Woke tala fufu no wa, woke fulo ife no wa. Wanne makansi boutique no, jena Colombia je piale kono ai. Men fulo ife no, ma men tala fufu no. Boutique mo we bunye kino, ibulike mo we sabotogu ai. Muna kiye wopo no, wanne iye ni di nanu. Mbutike muwe bunye ginu, ibulike muwe zabodogu. I ole wagonu mo, wanne imanole chie. I dress amuna China, dress amuna Indonesia. Afufunta lelikano, I men talafufuno. Wanne dress amuna Colombia, dress amuna Paraguay. Wanne afufunta lelikano, imanole wagonu mo. Makansi butike mu, mapu Indonesia je patike. Ai, woke talafufu no wa, woke fulo ife no wa. Wanne, makansi butike mu, jena Colombia je piale gonu. Ai, menu fulo ife no ne, menu talafufu no. Mbutike mu we bunye ginu, ibulike mu we zabotogu. Ai, muna kiye wokwano no, wanne iye ni di menu wa. Mbutike mu we bunye ginu, ibulike mu we zabotogu. Ai, ole wagonu mo, imanole chie. Ai, dress amuna China, dress amuna Indonesia. Afufunta lelikano, ai, menu talafufuno. Wanne dress amuna Colombia, dress amuna Paraguay. Wanne afufunta lelikano, imanole wagonu mo, ole wagonu mo. Makansi butike mu, mapu Indonesia je patike. Ai, woke talafufu no wa, woke fulo ife no wa. Wanne, makansi butike mu, jena Colombia je piale gonu. Ai, menu fulo ife no ne, menu talafufu no. Mbutike mu we bunye ginu, ibulike mu we zabodogu. Ai, muna kiye wokwano no, wanne iye ni di menu wa. Mbutike mu we bunye ginu, ibulike mu we zabodogu. Ai, ole wagonu mo, wanne imanole chie. Ai,
Chijoke. KJ, where are you? Please come to my father's house now. Yes, come now.
Imanode le wagonu mo, ole wagonu mo. Makansi butike mu, mapu Indonesia je patike. Ai, woke talafufu no wa, woke fulo ife no wa. Wanne, makansi butike mu, jena Colombia je piale gonu. Ai, menu fulo ife no ne, menu talafufu no. Mbutike mu we bunye ginu, ibulike mu we zabodogu. Ai, muna kiye wokwano.
Hey, Luther, my man. Luther, my man. Welcome. Did you tell me you were coming today?
No, brother, I'm going to go sit there. It just came up. I had to just return, man.
Welcome. You can see we are fine.
So I was wondering, I just came in here and everywhere is looking like a refugee camp. What's going on?
I don't understand.
Okay, Juan Kebo, you don't understand. There's meant to be a duplex here now. The initial plan was breaking down this fence and put up a duplex here. I was saying where duplex, where you almost swimming pool, the plan said. So I was wondering,
you mean your house or I don't get you.
That's Emo's house. Which one is my? Are you asking me a question? Of course, my house now. Please, where's my brother?
You mean Ikenga? Let me take you to his house now.
His house?
Yes. Ha! You don't know. Ikenga is now a rich man. They even gave him chieftaincy title some time ago. Ikenga was Ubiego 1. Now Mweze. Ikenga before I was Ikenga Maketa.
So he bought a land for me and built a house now.
Yeah.
He bought a land somewhere and built a house.
I don't know, when we get there you can ask him, he's your brother.
Okay, he built a house somewhere. That's where he is now. It's a new house.
Yes.
Okay, I thought as much now because I'm here. Everywhere was
maybe it's your house, I don't know.
But I was surprised though. I came in here and everywhere is looking so
we'll get there, we'll confirm.
KJ now, I find no.
Hey, is it not what? Exactly what I told them. As you listen, there is nothing wrong with an old man taking a young wife. You know, when they will be rubbing on the what is good for Emeka is also good for Papa Emeka.
Drink.
Oh, see the eat and be happy.
While you are eating and drinking, Ichie Barnabas, can you tell us why you summoned us to this meeting, sis? Obiego is one here.
Ome.
Oh no. My fellow elders,
Barnabas,
oh no. I summoned this meeting on behalf of the Council of Elders. You know our brother, our son, Ikenga, the Ubiego one of Amaze Kingdom.
Onyo Lilin, Papa Memme.
He has something to tell us. And I enjoin all of us to please listen to him carefully with a clear mind. Ubiego one. Over to you.
Ubiana Kotego one. Amaze Kingdom.
Oh. Oluo. My elders, I greet you all once again. It shall be well with all of us. As you can see, I have come with good tidings. Agane Elife. Wagane Elife. You see, before I tell you all why we're here, I'm going to go to Gusiamife. I'm going to go to Gusiamife.
Everybody one rapper. If we're gonna know I am Lily Ponati Fallo Nego Denati.
Alright, you can go now. I would love to believe that my elders are not blind enough. Can you see?
We have Ubiego nyememe, Ubiego nyememe, Nebere mo nyememe, Ubiego nyememe,
Oh, Dogu! Ubiego wa!
Kisses. Barnabas. You see, if I get a little day, Kagalala de Qua. Oh no, is good mother. 2 raps for you. Chiezuko. 2 raps for you.
Ubiego nyememe, Ubiego nyememe, Obekayo nyememe, Ubiego nyememe,
So you have nothing to worry about, huh? Oh yeah.
Ubiego, all this for me.
Oh yes, for you.
Ubiego, thank you very much. May the gods bless you. Amen. Bless where this money is coming from.
Amen.
Without wasting much time, please tell us why you called us.
Okay. Thank you, Ichie. You know what they say, huh? Otutu okwu adrono kambede. Onye jiego ada anodu nafia. You see, God Almighty has blessed me. And I believe He blessed me not just because He loves me. Yes, God loves me. You know, I'm a special child. But he also loves the people of Amaeze Kingdom.
Wow.
Yes. So he wants to use me. God in heaven wants to use me to touch the lives of everybody. All the people of Amaeze Kingdom.
Oh, yeah.
All. You know what they say? Akuluono. Amalonye palia.
Nyako jibu nkaru na ewe mano ubi ege.
Oh no, we don't be now. Don't be in a hurry. You know, we have a lot to eat.
Yes.
Don't be in a hurry. Oh yes. So, because I want to work for this community, I want to bless our people. I need your support.
You have our total support. Every support.
Allow him to finish what he wants to say.
It's our support.
Go ahead.
Udo, yes, yes. For me to do the wonderful things that God wants me to do for our people, I need to become the next king of this land.
For you to become the next king of this land, it's impossible. It is turn of Akama clan to produce the next Igwe.
Allow him to finish now.
It is about this money. I don't need it. Have it. I'm not a party to that arrangement.
Oh no. Igwe.
Give me a moment. What else do you want me to tell you? I have told you that I'm Ikenga's younger brother. Did you put cotton wool in your ears?
Oga, don't shout at me. Oh. I'm doing my job here.
They forget? I see you plated your brain, Abi. No, he plated your brain. Don't let me start with this idiot too. If you know what is good for him, just tell him to leave my way now. Let me not start with you.
I'm not going anywhere.
Mr. Man, get out of the way now. Or don't you know me?
If I know you, Nko. Now listen to me. Morga is not around. And we don't allow visitors in his absence.
You want to dare me? You want to dare me?
Biggie, what's going on? Oh, Chijioke. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And who is the young man standing beside you?
This is Lotanna, Ikenga's younger brother. Lota, Chioma, Ikenga's wife.
It's okay, Biggie. Let them in.
Move.
Emakansi butike mu, makbu Indonesia je patike ai. Woke tala fufu noa, woke fulo ife noa. Wanne, emakansi butike mu, jena Colombia je piale kono ai. Menu fulo ife no, ema menu tala fufu no. Mbutike mu we bunye gino, ibulike mu we zabodogu ai. Muna kiye mwopono no, wanne iye ni di meduwa. Mbutike mu we bunye gino, ibulike mu we zabodogu ai. Ole wagono mo, wanne imano.
Mweze, this is a very difficult task, and it's going to cause problem in this land.
That is why we elders need to work hand in hand.
But we have lost Ono. He is very important in this matter if we must make headway.
Ubiego can handle that. I believe we will see him. We will see Olo later, one-on-one.
What about the people of Akama clan? You know we have stubborn ones amongst them.
It will only take money, and I trust Ubiego.
Ono really surprised me. I didn't know he would reject such a huge amount of money.
Let that one not bother you. He will let us succumb. Yes, it's a minor issue. My major concern now is about the people of Akama clan. Look, that's where the problem lies.
Yes. Ubiego will handle that. He will handle them. I trust him. But meanwhile, let me get home.
Okay. Just extend my greetings to your family.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Now. Tell the wife to call him on the phone to come back now. Who got drawn now? I'm running out of patience.
Calm down. I believe she must have called him.
Calm down now. You know, go to my phone all the while. I'm not happy. Just tell if you have his number, give me, let me call him.
I don't have his number. Just calm down.
Stop telling me to calm down. You know, go to my phone all the while. Give me Kenga's number, let me call him. I need him to come back and show me the house he built for me.
I don't have his number. Butu, just calm down. He's coming.
Anyway, I don't want to believe, I don't want to think negative because this house looks exactly like the plan I sent to him. No, because I've got an ancho staircase in the living room. It looks like the plan I sent to him. So I believe this could really help. King. If you're going here now, walk out by Sigo now. I'm back. Walk out to go down. I'm back finally.
Wow. You're welcome. Baby, I hear you. Okay. I've warned you before I was Nami Kenga. When I know, address me properly. Ubiego 1. Say it.
Ubiego 1.
I don't blame you. You don't know it costs money to take a title. Of course, I'm sure you've never taken a title before, you do not know. And 8 years ago, millions there were a title. So when you want to talk to me, address me properly first. Call me Ubiego 1 of Amense. Say it.
I am sorry, sir.
You're welcome, Lieutenant. Have you had something to eat?
I better remember to have something. I'm here for us to talk. So sit down and show me the house you built for me.
Lieutenant, relax.
Relax. Just tell me.
Not shut up, my friend. I'm talking to your elder brother. Shut up. Not why you're my friend. I'm older than you. Relax. You will not tell me when to talk to you. Calm down. The first thing you do is to rest. Water. Not sapuaro. To give you something to drink. You drink. Relax. You won't tell me when to talk to you. I'll tell you when we're going to talk. Let me see my wife upstairs. Calm down. Relax. Obey your brother. Stop looking at me that way. Relax. I'm coming.
I'm coming down. Coming down. What's the come? Let's go. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I'm coming down. Coming down. I just calm down. Luther. Just calm down. Decide what to do. Calm down. Calm down.
How many times have I told you not to allow visitors into this house in my absence? Haven't I told you that?
Why are you shouting at me? He said he is your brother and that is the...
And so? Is he your brother? Huh? Whether he's my brother, father, mother, uncle, whatever, call me on the phone. You have a phone. Let me know. You don't just let people into my house. You know his mission here.
He said he is your brother. And that is the only reason I let him into the house. Why are you blaming me?
Go and tell him to leave.
I should say that to him?
Yes, you heard me. Tell him to leave. Huh? I just got back. I need to rest. As a titled man, when I come into my house, I get some rest first before I see anybody. Tell him to leave. When I'm set, I'll see him.
Wait a minute. I want to understand something. This is your brother who just arrived from overseas. And you don't want us to accommodate him here? Where do you want him to go?
And why are you arguing with me? Huh? Why are you questioning me? Is he your brother? If your own brother arrives from wherever, put him anywhere you like. He is my own brother. I'll say where he'll be. Tell him to live here. We have an old house, our father's old house. Let him go and stay. Luleba or dust the whole place. If it's here or not there, let him stay there. When I'm ready for him, I'll tell him to come. Go and do what I asked you to do.
Very well then.
Now, why is it taking time now? Why is it taking time to come down here and tell me what I want to hear? I need to see the house he built for me in this village. I need to see the factory. When they actually made for the house and send the Liego, go to Lumnaleki. Let him come down here and give me the breakdown. Please calm down. Now, calm down. Calm down for what? No, can you just imagine? Onye Olonwe, my brother, his only brother that has been out for more than 8 years, came back. No welcome. Onye cold welcome. Wait, let's wait. No, he start up giving you a sign. On onye sign and something is wrong. Wait. Onye sign and Millie Abalugo.
Let's wait till he comes. The house you are talking about might be somewhere else. You never can tell.
Go upstairs now. Tell your husband that I'm waiting for him to come down and give me the breakdown of all the money I sent to him.
He said you should go and come back later. He needs some rest. So, use the door.
He said I should go and come back later. That he needs some rest.
Exactly.
Chijioke, you know what? Can you just imagine?
Chioma.
You're working with Chiono. Keep quiet. Has this little thing going on your head made you forget that I am still a title holder?
No.
Let me remind you. I am still the Osodieme, one of Ames.
My friend, go shut up that your parrot mouth. Let me go also before are you mad? No, Chelo, Egum Kono Jazo title. When you people are using my money to acquire titles. Eh? Izalo also DM. Izalo ubi nonsense. Hey, my friend, go up there and tell your husband to come down here and give me the breakdown of the 600 million I sent to him. Makola. Hey. Makola, I know he can hear me. Go up there and tell him to come down here.
You want more Koro? Then that just came out from the prison. Standing here talking about 600 million. From where? I I am asking you from where? Now listen to me. You better take your little silly self out of my husband's house.
Ogola, if I slap you, if you see for years, no bro, Lotana, go up there and tell your husband to come down here and give me my money. Tell him to come down here and give me my money. Anyway, I don't have any business with you. When I get Girafia, I'll be here till he comes down. Because I didn't get my money. I'll set this house ablaze. And let him not come down and give me my money. I set this house and all the living things in this house ablaze. Let him not come down here. My wife with 600 million. On echo.
I man fully feminine. In my man with a laugh of fun. Mbutikemu we bunyeginu. Ibulikemu we zabodogu. I Munagi.
Utanetaga awful. Utanetaga awful. Can chayeche. Can wayawa. Can wayawa.
All I want to know. One day in my knowledge, I dress a moon at China, dress a moon at Indo.
Wait for him. I should wait for him. I should wait for him. I should go and come back later. I should go and come back later.
Mama, it's not as if I don't like Raphael. I really want to marry him.
Then what is the problem? What are you waiting for? Nkem, Mama is asking you, what is the problem? What is holding you? No, why are you still delaying to give him your final answer? What? You are not done. Tell us what is in your mind. Tell us your plan.
Mama, there is no way I can get married before my elder sister. Yes. It shows no mark of respect.
But did I complain?
Ada, you don't have to complain. I am human and I know what is right.
Oh.
Raphael can go ahead and look for another woman if he cannot wait for me.
Hey, again, listen to me. See, the fact that you get married before me doesn't mean that I will never get married. Okay? It's all about time. Maybe it's your time now. Utilize it. I'm not angry. I'm not jealous at all. I'm happy for you. Okay? Okay? How? Okay, Makola. Did you hear your sister? You heard her, right? I'm talking to you.
Okay. I don't understand you. I really don't know what you are up to. If I were to be the one, I wouldn't have waited for you people.
How will you wait for any of them? Mama. How will you wait for any of them? I know you will not wait. You will jump and grab the opportunity. Go and marry Raphael yourself. It is because you have no respect nor regard for your elder sisters. You will not wait. Fuck all them. Mama, it's okay.
No! Allow Mama. Let her abuse me. Abuse me just because I said my mind. Abuse me.
Listen, shut up. Shut up.
I can see that I'm not needed.
You are not needed. Get inside. Just say, go and wash plates. You will not wait.
Very soon, our boss will become the Igwe of this land.
The game plan is still on.
Ask Biggie.
Jojo, how do you think it can be possible? Akama clan will oppose him, and that's my fear.
My guy, with Ubia na Akutego 1 of Amaze, everything is possible. Oh, ego neku, ego ne mi fenine. So come on, relax. Huh? You don't need to worry yourself.
You see this place we are now? This place we are now will soon turn to palace one day.
For real.
Our boss is so desperate about it.
One day, we for now, and nobody should blame me about it. Obeloge now, I got by destruction mode. That's it, I got by destruction mode. Before, nobody should blame me about it. You're a witness. You were a witness. In or here on ML. In or here on ML. Nobody should blame me about it.
Wait until you hear from your brother.
What else do I want to hear? No, what else do I want to hear? Do I need a soothsayer to tell me that he can't get figure go? He can't has used my hard-earned money to enrich himself.
That would be very bad.
Yes, boss. Biggie's here with me.
Listen to me. If he refuses to leave my compound, shoot him. Yes. I'm license. I'll label him a criminal. I have license. Shoot him in the head.
Okay, boss. Okay, boss.
What happened?
Come with me.
Have a meeting.
You really want your guards to shoot your own brother?
Yes, because he's proving stubborn. Take him out. Can't come to my house and be insulting me. Is he drunk?
Excuse me. Let's see outside.
Of course not him. See outside. As how? Do I know you from Adam?
You don't know me. And I don't know you. Don't let me use force on you. Biggie, get the bag. If you dare touch my bag, eh? If you dare touch my bag, eh? Ndago kusigananya. I'm working in Abalisi, in a Merom Marion. Touch my bag now. No, touch my bag.
Wait first. If I be a woman, okay, woman.
Wait for what? Listen. The instruction is that both of you should leave immediately. Hey! Let's go. No, you're using gun to threaten me. Do you know who is standing before you? How many years in Nogo on the streets with gun? One night I could go in jail for 8 good years. Jana Paraguay, Juamaka Lotanda. Lotanda de Lozondia Kai when after that is me. Jana Indonesia, Juamaka 2 minutes noodles. 2 minutes, I will come to Moa, PJ, using God to threaten me. Juasem na Columbia. On that ma forget. You want a whim, Macola wam. You don't use God to threaten me. Muggles.
You're using gun to threaten me. You're using gun to threaten me. Toy gun! One day, go AK now. One day, go AK across the belt. You now.
Okay, go now. What is your problem? Do you want to die?
My problem is go up there, tell your boss to come down here and give me my money. That is why I'm here.
Which money?
If I start with you, if I start with you, man, I dem are forget. They want more girls. More girls. I'm off here. They're going more girls. You're using God to scare me.
Well, from my own point, I don't think you should hold too much against him. I think Chijioke is the one pushing him.
Don't worry about Chijioke, I'll deal with him. He's a stupid boy. I'll show him why they call me Ubiego one of Hameze Kingdom. Don't worry about him. Let me take this call. Hello, Jojo. Yeah, welcome. You're starting to make me believe that you're now incompetent. Yes, in Marosiology you are failing, and you know the consequences. I want that boy out of my compound, dead or alive.
Biko.
Usodieme Biko. Biko. Biko anoromofuma. Just go to your room. Later on we'll talk. Not now. I need some privacy. Aha, hello. Ah, welcome, DPO. Oh yes. Just some issue in my compound. I have some boys, some hoodlums in my compound. Yes, they are armed. I need you to send your men to my house immediately and clear them. Biko, a truckload of your men, let them start coming. Yes. Of course, now once you handle it, everything is done, let me know. Alright, immediately, yeah? Good. Yeah, Jojo. Your Bob Gear. He's still alive. It's okay. Just tell him I'm coming. Tell him I'll soon be with him. Let him relax. Can give him a drink. Should wait for me. I'm coming.
Amusumoke, what are you doing here again? Keep the day, keep the good, all to yourself. I don't want it. Ogini?
I'm here to see you.
To see me? Eburumago? What do you want from me and my daughter? Haven't we told you to stay away from us?
Mama, Chioma is wasting her time in Ikenga's house. Yes.
Advisor, Chioma is not wasting her time with Ikenga. She is legally married to Ikenga. Then it is you that is wasting your time and disturbing my daughter. It is over between you and my daughter.
She can never leave me. Chioma is my wife. And as far as I know, I paid her bride price, and that automatically makes her my wife. Let me painstakingly remind you that any child she bears for Ikenga becomes my own traditionally.
Onyoshunwa, how many years did she spend with you? Were you able to make her pregnant? Is this the one that she will give birth in her husband's house? You that you want to come and steal? It's Uemogi. Stop deceiving yourself.
Mama Chioma, I have done nothing wrong to you and your daughter. She has no right to leave me for another man.
Law court, she has every right to leave you for another man because you failed in your obligation and responsibility to her as a husband to a wife. You failed. You failed. You don't want to go? Stay there.
When you marry a woman, traditionally she becomes your wife. What the my fair name? What the if I hear your name, I paid her bride price, and she's supposed to she's my wife. Chineke go. Okay, hi name. Yadiba. So what?
I am talking to you.
What is it? What's the meaning of this now? No, what's the meaning of it? So you cannot allow me to have peace in this house again. You have this small enjoyment. I said, let me just enjoy myself now. You have carried your hand and come again, though. You have come again.
What are those pots and plates still doing at the backyard?
Meaning?
Are you asking me that? What is holding you from washing them?
Nkem. How many times did I call you? Respect yourself in this house. Respect yourself in this house, oh.
Are you warning me?
You have carried your hand and come again, oh.
Are you warning me?
You have started again.
Are you warning me? Are you warning me and asking you?
Nkem.
So what will you do?
Nkem, what is it?
Go to the backyard and see for yourself. The plates and pots that Mama asked these idiots to wash before leaving in the morning are still there. She has not washed them. Rather, she is here dancing to music in Navarone.
Yes! Go to that backyard now and wash those plates. Inania.
See, one came. She should mind herself in this house. She should mind herself to talk to me.
You are stupid.
You're stupid. You're stupid too.
Vera, illegal now. I am waiting for a beautiful day, a blessed day that just you and I will be in this house. So that I will teach you a greater lesson you will not forget in a hurry.
Okay, you think
because illegal was too much. Illegal was too much, Vera.
Because I allowed you to form me that day, Adi.
Vera,
you cannot do anything.
Vera, will you move it? Move it now!
Now, what do you do? You will fall again. You
cannot do anything.
You will fall again. I will keep delivering you. Very again, to come back. I will for 3 years, I'm for 3 days. Hey.
Who are you?
And who the hell are you to ask me such questions in my brother's house?
Madam, we have protocol here. We have a register where everybody that comes visiting put down your name. So please, go there and put down your name.
You are a fool. You are a fool.
Madam, you are not going anywhere. You are not going inside our house. Just go and put down your name there.
Are you okay?
Madam, this instruction was given by my boss. So go there and put down your name.
You go tell your boss that I, Teresa, will do no such thing. Get off my way!
Madam, you are not going anywhere. Go and put down your name there. Go and write your name.
I can see you are very stubborn. You are stubborn. You are stubborn. Will you get off my way?
What will you do? Go and put down your name.
You want to know who I am?
You are not going anywhere.
You want to know what I can do?
Madam, you are not going anywhere.
Get out!
I say you are not going anywhere.
What?
You are not going anywhere.
Stop me!
See, I'm working with an instruction here. Go down, put down your name.
Whose instruction is that?
From my boss.
Who the hell is your boss? My brother?
I don't care.
Get off my way!
You are not going anywhere. Go outside, please. You are not going anywhere. What is it?
If you dare touch me again, if you dare touch me again, Jesus breathing in me,
Madam, are you trying to teach me my job?
Teach you your job.
Okay, come on.
In my job.
Come on, pass.
Vicky, what is it?
Ma, She refused to fill her name in.
Tell your mother to fill in the visitor's book before you enter your house.
Madam, don't teach me my
Biggie, it's okay, you can leave.
Choma, where is your husband? Where is my brother Ikenga?
My husband is not in.
Choma, you and Ikenga had the guts to lock Lutana up in the police cell.
Biko, Teresa Kogini Kana Bogi, please! Don't even accuse me of something I know nothing about. Biko, I was never part of it. Have you heard me?
That was why you left your husband's house to come to my brother's house so you could ruin his life. Okay?
Is that what is paining me?
Okay? Let me tell you. Yakro, woman walk. Makada mwa uteliza. Agada bachiruza wine. Anomya.
My dear, it has worked.
Oh yeah, walk.
It has worked.
Shema!
Obviously, I am in my husband's house.
Go back to your husband's house.
Ikenga is my husband. Deal with it.
Tell him to go to the police cell and release Lotana. Let him not sleep another night in that police cell. But we don't know Chorimo again, Teresa.
You should tell him.
Tell him!
At DHL, in Ezimozi, I should go and tell my husband to release your brother. My dear, when you see your brother, send that message to him.
Hey!
Excuse me.
One so has Ewa! You are going to respect. That is why you are walking out on your mother, not Teresa. Then Bugari can say, Ochako Maka, I will sit there. I will go in and wait for a killer. Let me come back and meet me today.
Hello? Ikenga, where are you? My love, you need to come back. You need to come back right away. Your sister is here. I'm telling you, and she's making trouble. I'm telling you. Biko, you need to come back quickly. I am not joking. She has been making troubles because of Lotana. I know what I'm saying. Biko, be fast. Teresa, you will not in any way in destroying the marriage I have worked so hard to build. It won't happen.
Everybody one rapper. If we're gonna know I am a lip or not.
What can we do for you?
My name is Peter. I want to see my wife.
Who is your wife?
She's Chioma, the woman living here.
Hands up.
Why?
He said he wants to see his wife. His wife is Chioma. Come closer.
Who are you?
My name is Peter, Chioma's husband.
Repeat yourself.
I said I am Chioma's husband. The woman you're keeping in your house. I want to go with her. I am not mad. And what he say? The woman in your house is my wife. I want to go with her.
Jojo.
People talking. Where is the man? Pass the table. Pass the table. People talking.
Everybody one rapper. If we're gonna know I am the lipo, not the salon, the good and not the I would go one no na mess. Would go buku Ndasona kutano chini bi ele Nani kenga meko kona kutano bi yao Omwele kodogu se meni fe yao Okwane kwe meme Ay Udye kone no wao Iye ubiana kote kone no wao Onye chego no mwelano Aye Onye chego no pupodogu Ane kwe meme Ifugo Udye kono jiwano mko Everybody one rapper. If we're gonna know I am the lipo, not the follow, the good and not the I would go one no na mess. Would go buku Ndasona kutano chini bi ele Nani kenga meko kona kutano bi yao
So it's true you came to my house and you've been making trouble with everybody.
Ikenga?
Point of correction. Ubiego 1. From Ubiego Nanchiechi. Ubiego Kiss Namese. Honor to whom honor is due.
So sorry, me check on that. You own each other. You own each other. Call yourself whatever you want to call yourself. But that's not the reason I'm here. I've got to know why you locked your brother up in the police cell.
Yes, I locked him up because he's a very stupid boy. On moral respect, you cannot come to my house and be proven stubborn.
Disrespect you? Can't go to disrespect you. Even with our phone jaw, it don't be your jaw. Your brother just go back from overseas. From over there you go. All you could do was to lock him up in the police cell. Get it come, Mary.
Proudly. I locked him up proudly. He's a very stupid boy.
Chibo.
Nije Obodo Yibo doesn't give you the license to come back and be insulting your elder brother. Or the man.
How did he disrespect you? Where is the house he sent you money to build for him? Get me, Rodia. Get in.
This discussion is over. Leave my house.
Ikenga, I'm going nowhere until you give answers to all the questions I came here with. Where is the house you were supposed to build for your brother? Where is the factory? Where is the poultry farm? Kebi Roria? Where are they?
Is that the rubbish he told you? Huh? Is that the rubbish that stupid boy sold to you, and as big as you are, you believed it? Huh? Who is he?
Don't even deny it. Don't deny it. Because I know Lotana cannot. He can never lie to me.
Like I said before, I am done with this discussion. If you take a very good look at me, you see that I'm starting to get agitated. Leave my house only.
I'm not leaving this place. You want to lock me up like you locked Lieutenant? I told you I see what about me for. I don't want. Your brother has been sending money when I want to do when I go back to one. I don't want. Hey! Hey! Get out the money in here! What kind of human being is this? Hey! Madam, but you will come down and meet me. You will come down and meet me here. I'm going nowhere. I don't want your job, Daddy. Hey! Wanka!
Obiego won.
Oh no, Wu. Oh no, Wu. Obiego has come to see you.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Provided you came in peace.
Of course. I always come in peace. Obiego is a man of peace. Oh no. The Bible says, ask and you shall receive. So ask. Tell me what you want and you will have it. If you want a new building, believe me, I can demolish this structure and put up a mansion here in 3 days.
Obiego War. I need nothing from you. You are just being desperate over nothing. You see, Mweze and Co are only misleading you.
Nobody is misleading me, Ono. They have made the right choice. We are talking about developing this community, our dear community. And you and I know that no other person can do it better than Obiego One.
Obiego One. In this village, we have procedures. And those procedures will flow to the letter.
No, Afrive Kubi, Eleoba. No, every man has a price. Name yours.
Obiego War, I hold nothing against you, but Akama clan cannot be denied their royal chance.
Oh no. Action speaks louder than words. Jojo Watiba. Open it up. Show him. Oh no. Can you see? All yours. Hand it over to him.